I know you, yeah, know that you're in your room putting makeup on. You know me, yeah, know about all my dreams and where I went wrong. I stress way too much about what I want, 'cause it's not here yet. You talk in your sleep, almost heavenly, when you said we are once in a lifetime, waiting, getting high in your arms. I know that love can be so frustrating, pulling down on your heart. And we are both so inexperienced, never wanted to see. It woke me up when I saw your teardrops, when you said that you were falling for me. They know how we ran around seeking common ground for some time. We both made our beds and cleared up our heads, committed no crime. I give up my shoulder, help friends get over past mistakes. Then you came along, and not a moment for wrong, when you say we are once in a lifetime, waiting, getting high in your arms. I know that love can be so frustrating, pulling down on your heart. And we are both so inexperienced, never wanted to see. It woke me up when I saw your teardrops, when you said that you were falling for me. Oh, you were falling for me. Oh. So it's 5 a.m., feeling tired and spent, wanting to press in. So I call again, pick up, let me in, and don't you forget. I know that love can be so frustrating, pulling down on your heart. And we are both so inexperienced, never wanted to see. I wanna write a song about you. I wanna tell my friends how you packed up your bags and said you need a better life. I'm wishing all the season's over. And when I told my mom it broke her, 'cause she could see the hurting in her child's eyes. I wait up for the phone to ring. It's still, but I'm listening for you to come back and say you're joking. I hope the far away gives you pleasure, and that you're happy in foreign weather. And I hope that Hollywood treats you better than I ever could. And now I drive around in my car, seeing all the places we part, and hearing all the conversations that we had. Begging for a voice of reason, for a clue on why you're leaving. Was every moment with me really all that bad? I wait up for the phone to ring. It's still, but I'm listening for you to come back and say you're joking. I hope the far away gives you pleasure, and that you're happy in foreign weather. And I hope that Hollywood treats you better than I ever could. Well, I know you're trying to find your feet, and that your heart is across the sea. But I hope that Hollywood gives you something that I never will. I know you said that it's you, not me, and that you'll have everything you need. But I hope that Hollywood's everything that I'll ever be. I know you're trying to find your feet, and that your heart is across the sea. But I hope that Hollywood gives you something that I never will. And I hope that Hollywood treats you better than